Hello and welcome to this Forex Preview at xm.com. I'm Maria Pachordis, and joining me is Senior Investment Analyst Rafi Boyadjian. We'll be discussing the upcoming UK PMIs out on Friday and the potential reaction in the pound. So Rafi, the new highly contagious version of the virus has caused the UK government to impose tough measures again, with most of the UK on lockdown. Under the current circumstances, are the flash PMIs for January expected to be pretty grim?
Well, Maria, they are indeed expected to be pretty grim. The Prime Minister Boris Johnson did announce at the beginning of January a new strict lockdown for England, and other nations of the UK are also still under lockdown. So we are expecting the services sector to have contracted in January. So in the flash reading, we're expecting the service PMI to have remained below 50 for the third straight month. The positive spot at the moment is the manufacturing sector, because it's not as the lockdowns don't really affect the manufacturing sector as much as the services sector. Most manufacturers have been able to operate. So we are expecting positive growth in the manufacturing sector, but the composite PMI, which combines both services and manufacturing, is expected to have reversed those gains that we saw in December to head back below 50 in January. Now, we did get some positive news last week from the monthly GDP prints. We did get better than expected numbers for November. So it is possible the UK may have avoided a double-dip recession in the fourth quarter, but all the indications are that in the first quarter of 2021, the UK economy will likely contract again, as the government has signaled that the lockdowns could last all the way till the beginning of March.
Okay, taking all this into consideration then, what reaction can we expect to see in the pound?
Well, the pound has so far held pretty firmly near its 32-month highs against the US dollar, even though we've had plenty of bad headlines surrounding the fast spread of this new strain of the virus, and the fact that lockdowns could last for several weeks still. So the reason for that is that investors are mainly focused on the vaccine news. So the UK is currently one of the few countries that is able to quickly vaccinate its population. In fact, the UK is second only to Israel at the moment. The UK has vaccinated 6% of its population. The vaccination effort in the UK is progressing much faster than the rest of Europe, and even the UK is even ahead of the US. So that's what investors are pretty much focused on at the moment, and that's why sterling is back above the 1.36 level, and so once we do start to see that the UK, once the government at least is able to signal that it will be able to reopen the economy, that could potentially be even more positive for sterling.
Rafi, thanks so much, and thanks for joining us at xm.com.